This is Felix. Today my brother Oliver is going to be showing you how to make flatbread.
Oh, and you do it, I'm going to show you how to make flatbread.
All right, Oliver, what do we add first?
Okay, sugar.
Want to add the sugar first?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. 1 tablespoon of sugar in here.
All of it?
Next, yep, all of it. Next, can you add the 1 1/4 cup of water? Warm water.
What? All of it?
Yeah, all of it.
Yes, warm. Oliver, I would recommend to do it and get the oven not that way.
Pouring it like a waiter. And now we have a light tablespoon of yeast.
Pour all of it in?
All of it in. Now let's mix it together.
Why do we need
To mix it all together.
Why do we want to mix it all together with the flour?
Yeah, good question. Why not a spoon?
A fork just works well to blend everything together so the yeast can get near all the sugar and eat the sugar and get warmed up by the water and start to activate.
Your stuff should look like this right now.
All right. Next, we're going to cover it with a warm cloth and we're going to wait for 8 minutes.
No, Sophie.
All right.
The 8 minutes has been up. We took off the cloth, as you can see, and now time for part 2.
All right, we got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Dump it in, Oliver.
And yes, that is olive oil.
It's nice and frothy. Mix that up a little bit.
Like this.
Real quick. That's good. Now put in so much rosemary.
Like this?
Yeah, just dump it. Dump, dump, dump. Shake, shake, shake.
Like a little.
10 times more. Keep going.
More.
Halfway there. More. Hold it upside down more.
POV, you are a salt shaker or a rosemary shaker.
That's good. 3, 2, 1. That's probably good. One more quick stir.
And yes.
I'm going to do some fast.
Good.
Use this if you like.
Oh,
That's even more
yeah.
fun. And now comes the biggest item there is.
Oh, I wanted this.
The flour.
Yeah, we got some special bread flour.
All of it?
3 cups, all of it.
Ah!
That way.
And let's get away from that danger.
That's way too much.
Can you stir? Big stirs.
I can't.
See how it's getting clumpy so fast?
Yeah.
All right, let me go really quickly at this.
Yeah, make sure to stir until clumpy. It may look that the entire screen is my dad's arm, but really he's not close. So don't worry. It's not like you're gonna get hit or anything.
A little bit more stirring. It's getting really thick now.
Meaning it's harder
Oliver,
to stir.
look at it.
Whoa.
It's so thick. And now,
Oliver's just sitting over here drinking his...
that's pretty good. When you look at it, you got to get a good idea and a good feel. And I think that's a little bit too wet.
Too wet?
And what you do when it's too wet is you add just a little bit more flour until it feels just right. Maybe it's because we missed with the flour. Maybe I added a little too much water this time.
As you can see...
Maybe there's still some flour in there. So we'll just add just a little bit more. Baking is more of a art than a science.
No, I am, Oliver.
Me too.
Yeah, you're helping the video.
I'm gonna make a video with my phone.
Look at the camera.
Let me see.
Whoa. Excuse you.
All right, and now we got a big lump of dough, and we fold it over and smush it and smush it and smush it.
And smush it and smush it and smush it.
This is a really sticky, icky stage right now. And that's okay. Oliver, can you get your hands, roll up your sleeves. You don't want to get sticky? Because it's kind of gross. All right. Once you feel like everything's come together, and it's a big sticky ball, and it's all mixed properly, there's one more thing to add. Mother, can you get us olive oil?
Make sure that it looks like it is not going to touch it.
Did you fix it?
I'm doing a video. I don't think I can take a picture of it. Let's do a quick.
And now, we should take the olive oil and put a little splash on top.
Hey, look, 365. That's how many days.
And rub it all in.
I want to do the
Take the top, make it the bottom.
Look at all of
We
it.
want every side coated in olive oil before we let it rest.
Okay, at this point, it doesn't smell really good, so make sure to bring your oxygen tank. Yes, Oliver.
And that's what it's looking like right now.
It looks.
Here we go.
Are we gonna cover it again?
We're going to cover it for 1 hour with a nice, hot, wet towel.
Okay, see you in an hour. Okay, guys, it's been an hour. We're ready for the big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Someone Oliver, take off the cloth. And ta-da! As you can see, this has rise. This was a lot bigger than the last time you saw it, right? Right?
All right, Oliver, punch it in the middle as hard as you can.
That looks fun. I want to try.
Felix's turn.
I need to.
Wow.
Ow.
My turn. I want to try it with someone's fun. I didn't feel it.
One more.
Me?
Yeah.
Ow again. I punched it a little too hard.
And we'll scoop it like this.
And we try again.
And we got ourselves a big ball of dough.
Dough.
We're going to make some pizza. We're going to make some more fun stuff. So give us a minute. Here we go.
We just rolled out the bread or dough. It's gonna become bread, and now we heated up a pan, and now we're gonna let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. Guys, it's been 2 minutes. This is what it should look like when you're ready to flip it. Okay, there. Guys, it's been around 1.5 minutes. Just so you know, it's a little faster on the second side. So it should look like something like this. So the bread's cooled down. Oliver, are you ready for me and you to taste test? I'll go first.
Yes.
Delicious. I mean, of course, it doesn't have much flavor, but it's delicious for bread. Oliver, your turn.
I will wait.
Okay, you ready?
Wait, no. Yes.
I'll just have. You know what?
What?
You ready?
No.
When are you gonna be ready, Oliver?
When my hands are clean.
Oh, why?
Oliver, he can just put it in your mouth.
Like this.
Delicious.
Oliver agrees. That's good. Hi guys, this is the bonus scene. As you can see, you can also. Yeah, you can also turn the flatbread into pizza. This is another pizza that's gonna be put in. But this does look